Hi everyone. Today we're opening up Sips by Tea Box. There's tea subscription. This is a personalized tea subscription. It is $16 a month. There is a code that is Sips by 5, I believe, or Sips 5. I'll leave that link and the code down below, so that saves you $5. So your first box is $11. I am just about out of tea, so I was like, perfect timing. We must open this box. I am such a tea girl now. I can't get enough. But yeah, you can personalize this. You got caffeinated, non-caffeinated. You can let them know what teas you like. Look how cute the box is. So these are the August teas. You know it's personalized because it says Kitty. So hi Kitty, as you soak in the golden warmth of the final days of summer, we hope these delightful teas make your August adventures extra special. And to thank you for being a tea friend. Oh, there's a code to get $5 off their shop. So they have a shop as well. And they sometimes have limited edition boxes too, which is great. Ooh, these sound really interesting. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. So you get 16 teas typically. And it's really great. And if you choose to purchase them, like if you're a tea drinker and you want to try out the teas before you purchase a full pack, because teas can be expensive, this is a great way. And also it's great, not only do you get to sample it, you get to get a code to save when you decide to buy them if you like it. So how cute is the packaging on this? This is British Breakfast, the Republic of Tea, the perfect cup around black tea bag. This is so cute. So let's read more about it here. Enjoy this environmentally friendly, round, unbleached tea bag free of wasteful strings, staples, and tags. The life of tea is the life of the moment. We only have now, and we each sip it in our own cups. The Minister of Leaves. I love that. So this has fine black tea from Assam, Ceylon, Darjeeling, and Africa. And it'll tell you some more information here. So how to make it, what temperature, how long to steep, and high caffeine. So it always tells you the caffeine content and a little description on here. A robust blend of quality black leaves, hearty enough to make any Brit smile. A savory mixture of Indian, Sri Lankan, and Kenyan leaves is great with a splash of milk. Boy, I love how it has a recommendation there too. Awesome. Now let's move on. Vanilla chai. I love a good chai tea. I don't think I've had this tea brand before. That's fun to try something new. Puka. Oh, Puka, isn't it? Okay, oh my, I'm like, what does Puka remind me of? Tati's dog. Random. I haven't watched beauty YouTube in a long time. Oh, and it's caffeine free. Interesting. Organic caffeine. That's actually perfect. I can make this now because it's like almost 4 p.m. I think. But anyways, a caffeine-free lift flushed with cinnamon warmth. Who am I? I used to be like, give me all the caffeine. Now I'm like, I like just tea to drink tea. Naturally caffeine-free and ethically sourced, 100% organically grown ingredients. So it's made with 40% cinnamon bark. Oh man, this is going to be so good. Look, it says be astonished. I'm sure I will. This is definitely what I'm making. I love ginger in my tea too. It has ginger root, licorice root, sweet fennel seed, cardamom pod, and vanilla flavor. Oh, I love cardamom too. 70% fair trade ingredients, infused for up to 15 minutes. And boiling just the water you need helps make every cup of Puka tea as sustainable as it can be. I love that. Oh, I love the brands they use. So we already know it's caffeine free, and we already went through the ingredients as well. So made with organic soft vanilla, fennel, and licorice, plus spicy cinnamon, ginger, and cardamom. This aromatic tea provides a caffeine-free lift flushed with cinnamon warmth. Awesome! I'm totally gonna make that next. This is like what I first saw, and I was like, interesting. And this is by another brand I have not tried before. This is so fun. Okay, Tranky Bar. Is that how you say that? Trank Bar. Sea buckthorn and sunflower petals. I don't think I've ever had sunflower in my tea, but I love sunflowers and the meaning behind them. So this is a black tea herbal infusion. Oh my god, this reminds me of a bar. A bougie elephant. Remember I said that one? I don't remember what video that was. Wow, they've been in the tea trading industry since 1620. Do you guys know my family has a business? It's been since 1893. But they've got us beat. Awesome. So you can see the sachet through there. And it gives you some information. So let's read it on here. So it does have caffeine. It's made with black tea, lemongrass, sunflower, fennel, sea buckthorn, yellow Nordic berries. Oh, wow. This sounds so fancy. It looks fancy too. Created with quality ingredients. This promotes or made with quality ingredients. This flavorful Indian black tea is blended with premium herbs that promote health and wellness. I love that. And then our last one is a loose leaf tea, and I love that they give us reusable Muslim tea cloth bags, or this is a reusable bag with disposable bags inside. So you can still use this outer bag for tea as well. Again, but the ones inside are disposable, so love that. Soulmate, aw. Organic herbe mate mocha blend. Oh my god, this sounds divine. Organic yerba, cocoa coffee, coconut milk, vanilla, and raw coconut sugar. Oh my god, this sounds so good. It's resealable. I'm gonna smell it. But anyways, it has high caffeine. And this rich, delicious blend is an incredible mood lifter without dairy or refined sugar. Enjoy in your favorite mug or the traditional Argentinian way with a bombilla, straw, and gourd. Oh my god, this sounds so good. Every single tea sounds amazing, you guys. I seriously am excited about every single one. So you guys have to let me know. If you're a tea drinker, what's your favorite tea? I would love to hear some suggestions because I go through tea fast. I drink several cups a day now. Right now I'm drinking mountain tea that I got from Diana. Thank you. I still have some left. I found it. I have it in a jar. I'm like, yes, it's so good. This is caffeine free. And I was reading about it because I wanted to learn more. And it's like really in Greece they use it. Like it has all these antioxidants, like the same as green tea, but without the caffeine. So yeah, I love learning about tea. I love drinking tea. So if you guys do too, I definitely recommend this. I've been getting it for a while now. This was kindly sent to me free for review. It's not sponsored. The link below is an affiliate link. So if you want to use that and my code, it's not my code, their code to save $5. I also get a small kickback. So thank you if you use it. Even if I wasn't affiliated, I would recommend this. I'm trying to think. Yeah, I'm definitely going to go with why can't I speak right now? Caffeine free one, I think, because it is later in the day and I go to bed early these days. So yeah, I love this. I love that it's based on our profile. I love all the teas. This is so me. These teas are so me. So they did a good job basing it on my profile. So yeah, I love you guys. Let me know how you're doing. Again, links are below. Have a great day, night, whatever time it is, wherever you are. I'm so grateful that you're here. If you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you go. So I will see you in the next video. Bye. I love you.